Okay, I've got a problem. So this center cap for the Mercedes-Benz, as you can see, this part broke off. And this is actually plated, so not so sure if it is going to, I don't think I can glue it back together. So I am going to try this method using the soldering iron and see what happens. Yep, I'm gonna put the soldering iron, like on internet, with a stapler embedded into it, and see if it'll hold. Okay. Soldering iron. Soldering iron. And plastic repair. Let's just see. For sure, it's way better now. The smoke is not blowing right at my face. So if you guys are gonna try to do this, anything with plastic melting, consider putting a fan from behind you so it doesn't get in your face. I can say this is pretty fun and satisfying to do. I can tell you this is much better than trying to fix some computers or electronics. Okay, I build up a few layers. Let me melt it back down. shape. Going to put it in here. Try to melt this guy in there. Very difficult. Oh, okay. It's embedding into the plastic. Okay, great. I can really tell you this before I put the fan. There's no way you can see anything because the smoke is so coming out of the plastic is very unpleasant. Sorry if you guys can see this. I have to say plastic welding does work. I'm going to melt this black piece on there too. It's very difficult to hold three things at one time, that's for sure. Now here's where a spider becomes handy. If you got 8 legs or octopus or something. So you know how sometimes you go to the grocery store these days? They ask you if you want a bag for being green. And many times I go shopping not being planned, and it's like, of course I need a bag, and I'm not an octopus. Well, in this case, I could use another hand for sure. This thing is attached. I'm just gonna melt it off. Okay, there we go. Sorry, not sure if you can see. Trying to push the plastics around. God, I have a 3D printer. Having some troubles with it. It's been 2 weeks. And I can't, more than 2 weeks. And I can't fix it. I wish it was this easy. Okay. It looks like it may have been done. feels pretty solid. You know, I think it's solid enough that I can put it back. Not sure it'll break it off again, you know. But it looks pretty good, I think. I mean, the job doesn't look very good, but in terms of the plastic being welded together, I think it'll work. So, yeah, never done plastic welding before. My first time trying, and it is not too hard. If it's a 1 out of 10, maybe I would score it about a 5. Anyone can do this. If you need to repair anything that's with your plastics, give it a shot. Soldering iron, stapler, what do you call this thing? And zip ties. Thank you. And by the way, how do you clean this off? What I did is I fold the paper like that, a few layers while it is hot. Let's see, stick it in, turn it, rub as much stuff off as you can. And then I guess I can wire brush it after cools down. So the next time you turn it on, you don't get the smoke all over your face. Yep. I think by doing so, the whatever plastic residue in your